Hey guys, insurance fraud is an exceedingly costly criminal activity, and year after year, the American population bears witness to the loss of billions of dollars due to deceptive schemes within various sectors such as automotive and healthcare. Nevertheless, safeguarding oneself against the insurance fraud entails the adoption of prudent measures to steer clear of ill-advised blunders that have the potential to capture innocent individuals in distressing circumstances. By implementing these precautions, one can effectively evade the traps set by fraudsters. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now here are 5 ways to avoid being scammed by insurance fraudsters. The first one is always check incoming email address. Email scams extend beyond the older generation, targeting millennials with alarming frequency. Surprisingly, statistics reveal that millennials are 77% more prone to admitting financial losses stemming from scams originating from email communications compared to their older counterparts. To safeguard oneself against these deceitful practices, it is vital not to rely solely on the name or tagline displayed in the email as a determining factor of its authenticity. Instead, it is advisable to scrutinize the email address instead by hovering over the sender's name. A legitimate email from a reputable source would typically feature a recognizable domain, such as at uhc.com for United Healthcare. Conversely, fraudulent emails often employ obscure or misleading combinations of letters and numbers as part of their sender's address, aiming to deceive unsuspecting recipients. By discerning these subtle indicators, one can effectively distinguish genuine communications from potential scams and mitigate the risk of falling victim to fraudulent schemes. The second one is to request for a detailed medical bill. To steer clear of deceptive medical charges, the most effective approach is to proactively seek an itemized bill from your healthcare provider. It is important to note that this itemized bill may not be the initial one received, requiring you to specifically request it from the billing or medical records department of your healthcare provider. Once you obtain the itemized bill, a two-route examination of each listed item is crucial. Take the time to scrutinize and verify the associated medical codes assigned to each service or procedure mentioned in the bill. This step is essential in ensuring that you have not been billed for any services that you did not actually receive. By diligently reviewing the itemized bill and cross-referencing the medical codes, you can effectively identify any discrepancies or potential instances of fraudulent charges. This proactive approach empowers you to protect your financial well-being and maintain transparency in your healthcare expenses. The third one is avoid bandit tow trucks. When finding yourself stranded on the road, the appearance of a tow truck might initially bring a sense of relief. However, it is crucial to exercise caution and skepticism, particularly if you did not specifically request their assistance, as these unscrupulous operators are commonly referred to as bandit tow trucks. These fraudulent individuals or companies exploit vulnerable situations by towing your vehicle to their own premises without your consent or legitimate request. Then they proceed to charge exorbitant fees for services they claim to have provided, putting you in a precarious and financially burdensome position. Moreover, they may resort to intimidating tactics, threatening to impound your vehicle unless you comply with their unjust demands. It is imperative to remember that if neither you nor your insurance company contacted the tow truck operator, it is advisable to firmly reject their services. By declining their assistance, you protect yourself from falling victim to their deceitful practices and avoid being coerced into paying exorbitant fees for unnecessary services. Another one is read and understand your insurance plan. Having a clear understanding of what your health insurance covers is vital to protect yourself from exorbitant and potentially fraudulent charges, especially when seeking out-of-network care. Receiving bills from healthcare providers who are not part of your insurance network can often lead to shockingly high costs that can be fraudulently increased. These charges can catch you off guard and significantly impact your financial well-being. To navigate this potential minefield, it's crucial to thoroughly review the provisions and limitations outlined in your health insurance plan. Familiarize yourself with the specifics of your coverage, including the network of approved providers and the associated costs for out-of-network care. If any aspect of your plan is unclear, don't hesitate to reach out to your insurance provider and seek clarification. Ask questions to ensure that you fully comprehend the terms, conditions, and potential financial implications of seeking care from providers outside of your network. And the fifth one is take photos of your accident. Having photographic evidence can be crucial in situations where issues arise with your insurance claim. By capturing photographs of the incident, you can provide concrete proof of what transpired, ensuring that your insurance company cannot downplay the extent of the damage or unfairly minimize your claim. These visual records serve as powerful tools that can safeguard your rights and protect you against various fraudulent scenarios. For instance, in case of a stage accident where someone deliberately causes a collision by abruptly braking or signaling you to proceed, having photographic evidence can help you establish the truth and defend yourself against false accusations or manipulated narratives. By promptly documenting the scene with photographs, you create a compelling visual account that bolsters your credibility and strengthens your position during the claims process. It provides an objective record of the circumstances, allowing for a fair assessment of the situation and reducing the likelihood of disputes or attempts to exploit the situation for fraudulent purposes. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, have you ever encountered an insurance fraud? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.